MS Ramaya University of Applied Sciences.
Hi students, today we will apply recursion to perform sorting of elements in Haskell language. For processing lists, use list pattern matching with recursion. Recursive functions with pattern matching are used in Haskell for list processing. A cons operator is used to split the head and tail of a list. The base condition occurs when the list is empty. The aim of the experiment is to apply recursion and mathematical functions to solve problems using functional programming paradigm. At the end of this lab, the student will be able to apply recursion for solving problems, solve problems mathematically and express solution using functional paradigm. Experimental setup. Write an algorithm in English that shows how the problem posed to you can be solved. Rewrite the English steps keeping in mind what Haskell can do. Translate the steps in Haskell language. Write the program in gedit text editor. Open a terminal, start gHCI and load the edited program using :L interpreter instruction. Call the function you have developed with simple list. The characteristics to identify such as: how is recursion pattern defined in Haskell? How a function definition is called based on filtering of parameters? How can data be defined recursively? The error conditions. Parse error occurs if you have missed or added an extra some programming symbol such as ... etc. or space. An exception, no instance of, occurs if you are trying to use an operator or function with wrong type or number of parameters. A documentation is expected in details such as algorithm. A sample result is provided for your reference. Always explain such screenshots of code. A sample analysis, discussions and conclusion documentation is provided for your reference. A sample limitation of experiment and results documentation is provided for your reference. A sample learning recommendations and outcomes documentation is provided for your reference.
At MSR, you mark your imagination.